So, to add to the truck, and with the fuel injection and everything, this is going to be in another future video, but we went ahead and ordered another part for it. I got these off Amazon. It's Assault Racing products. We're going to do a little unboxing. I've opened these already just to check, make sure everything's all good in there. I got these for like around 150 bucks off Amazon. Real cheap. These are roller rockers with a higher ratio, so it's going to open that valve more and get us more air into the engine. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. So this is what they're going to look like when you first open them. Here's the rockers. We're going to pull the plastic out. We're actually going to pull the tray out. So here's the rockers. They're aluminum. See, we have our bearings in there. They come oiled, a little bit of oil on it, so that's nice. We'll be showing you guys how to install these and how to adjust them. So as you guys can see, they're 1.6 ratios. And what that's going to do is going to allow, when the push rod comes up, it'll open that valve more. And we'll get more into that in the video of installing them. I just want to show you guys what you're going to get if you're going to get this Assault Racing, if you're going to get the roller rockers from Assault Racing. But they're pretty nice for how cheap they are, and they had a lot of good reviews on Amazon. Like I said, I'll include that in the link below. Hey guys, working cars is not cheap. With you guys watching our videos, smashing the like button, subscribing, and ringing that bell keeps us making more videos for you guys. Also, to support our editor and all the people that help make this possible, smash that like button. We got Jackson up here on our camera. We got Austin over here on our lights. Jackson spends hours and hours editing these videos every week. So smash that like button for him.